Today we are honoring our Leader of the Quarter and our Excel Employee of the Month. First, we'll recognize our Leadership Award winner. This special manager and her team have been front and center throughout the pandemic, doing an excellent job of keeping everyone safe while delivering outstanding service and support. This honor might be a surprise to the winner, but it will come as no surprise to those of us who work with her. I'm proud to announce that our leader of the second quarter is Mackenzie Jones, manager of HealthBrands. Who is clearly red. From the day she started in 2011, Mackenzie has demonstrated leadership excellence. She has been the driving force behind several successful programs and have greatly enhanced our patient experience and customer satisfaction. Mackenzie led the charge in developing HealthFront and assembling our team of green-shirted ambassadors. She also launched Health Connection, where user-friendly technology, customer service, and wellness all come together. These programs have exceeded all expectations thanks to her great hard work. But the pandemic has truly spotlighted her talents for managing challenging logistics and leading during a crisis. At the onset of COVID, the HealthBrands team had to quickly pivot to new processes and strategies with very little or no notice. Mackenzie led her staff through this difficult transition with compassion, flexibility, and enthusiasm. She and her team have jumped in to assist wherever and whenever they are needed, from helping patients, staff, and family to screening at all hospital entrances and managing visitor restrictions. Her efforts have provided a great deal of comfort to guests and family members, and I'd say our whole entire community. Mackenzie also was instrumental in the success of the hospital's COVID vaccine clinics, where we were able to quickly and efficiently vaccinate thousands of community members. She tackles every challenge with a smile and a seamless plan, ensuring that every detail is handled effectively. Mackenzie also provides her staff with a roadmap for success, helping them grow in ways that benefit SMH, patients, visitors, and of course themselves. Thank you, Mackenzie, for everything that you've done. You're a true asset to this organization, and we all owe you a debt of gratitude. Congratulations. So we have a plaque for you today. Okay, it's the Leadership Award, and it reads: "If your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, you are a leader." By John Quincy Adams. The hospital board and administrative staff of Sarasota Memorial Healthcare System present you, Mackenzie Jones, with the Leadership Award for the second quarter 2021, with thanks to your continued dedication and excellence. It's signed by myself and also Jim Meister, who's the chair of our board. So congratulations. This is your plaque.
Well, I can't thank everyone enough, and it's just, we have the most amazing team in the world and the most amazing leader in the world, and it's my honor to work here for such a great organization, and I just love seeing our team grow and be that liaison between the patients and the staff, and we're happy to be here every day.
Today we are also very pleased to honor this month's Excel Employee of the Month winner, Artem Chevtsov, a Biomedical Technician 2 in Biomedical Engineering. Artem has been a valued employee of SMH since 2017, and I'd like to share a few words of praise from his peers who describe him as an outstanding member of the Biomed team. I promise you these are going to be good words. We wouldn't put them in otherwise. His colleagues say Artem consistently demonstrates excellence in his duties by going above and beyond to complete every task. He comes to work every day with a smile on his face and an exceptional work ethic. He is a professional, enthusiastic, highly skilled, and always willing to help, even when it's not his responsibility. A good example of his expertise and exceptional performance occurred this past year, when it became difficult to acquire certain supplies and parts due to the pandemic. A decision was made to purchase a 3D printer. No one in our house was familiar with this technology, but Artem volunteered to take on the challenge. In no time at all, He had the unit successfully assembled, calibrated, and printing. Artem taught himself the software and started mass producing parts to make sure staff had what they needed to do in order to do their jobs. He also found other uses for the printer and in the process saved the organization countless time and money. We are so fortunate to have Artem on our team, and you truly deserve this honor. I will tell you once again, our community thanks you because it was a very difficult time this past year, and you stepped up and provided something that no one else was doing. So thank you for everything you've done. Congratulations. So the Excel Reward. Excel recipients are employees who are models of excellence and consistently demonstrate the mission, vision, and values of our organization. They are superior performers that make an extra effort into quality and care to our patients and families in this community. The hospital board and administrative staff of Sarasota Memorial Healthcare System recognizes you, Artem, with the Excel Award for the month of May 2021. It is signed by myself as President and CEO of the system and also by our board chair, Mr. Jim Meister. Congratulations.
Thank you very much for giving me this award. I really appreciate all the attention that was given the last couple of days. And yeah, I want to thank my management here, Dave and Robert. They've been, giving me full support, the whole time I was pursuing this project. Never questioned me, never really rushed me or, put any pressure at all. Really just any materials or resources I was needed, they provided, and just been very, very supportive of me, and I really appreciate that. And I was really glad to play a little tiny part of, our success story here with, this pandemic. And so, yes, thank you very much.
I want to thank everyone once again for taking time to watch these videos. I think it's very important to keep connecting with our community and recognizing the amazing staff that we have here at Sarasota Memorial. These people come in each and every day and do nothing but try to help this community and help support their team members. Artem and Mackenzie, you are both well deserving of this, and we can't thank you enough for everything that you've done. I also want to just keep reminding people that we're not out of this pandemic yet. We need to keep fighting every day. We see the light at the end of the tunnel, but keep social distance. When appropriate, wear masks. And I know the rules are changing right now, but let's just err on the side of caution. And above all, let's get that vaccine shot. Take the shot. So our tagline is, "This is our shot," and we believe that. Thank you so much.